چۆنی باشی ناوی من ئەندرۆم دانشم لە ڕواندز کوردستان دۆرتاشم 5 ساڵ لێرە لەناو کوردستان تەمەندم 46 ساڵ سینگڵی ئەمێن بێ دەکەمەوە و تڕەمپ ئەوە باشترە زانی بۆ چونکە he's pro-family and he's for pro-marriage. He's against abortion, killing babies, and he's for lower taxes, and he's for a greater America. And when you have a strong foundation in America, you have a stronger world altogether. So I'm in hopes that the Conservative Party, with Trump's party, wins the election and hopes for a better America and a better world. The flag in the back, you know. But anyway, I want to thank everyone here in Kurdistan. Has always been very nice to me, very respectful, and it's been a wonderful place to live over the last 5 years. I would recommend anybody to come to Kurdistan to live and work. It's been a wonderful experience. People are very friendly. They have amazing food. For example, bonmona, kufta, kaz, sour, dorma,